How to use Apple Pay double-click not working. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Apple Pay double-click not working. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and check if you can find the Apple Pay option. If you don't see it, go back and open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update to ensure your device is running the latest version. If an update is available, download and install it. After that, go back to Settings and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to access the settings. Now scroll down and make sure that Wallet is enabled. This setting allows you to use Apple Pay with the double-click feature. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.